Hello friends, welcome to our today's Spark session. In our today's session, we are going to see Kafka plus Spark integration using PySpark. In our previous session, we saw the same example with Scala with Spark. Since you have requested, I am making this video along with the PySpark. The use case that we are going to take is same one. We will be having a producer triggered from our command prompt, and we will have a PySpark code for the consumer API, and we will receive a message from the producer and calculate the word count and display it in our console. This is our use case that we are going to take today. Today for a change, we are going to code in a Jupyter Lab. I have opened a Jupyter Lab and also opened a Py named Kafka Spark demo, and let us start coding. If you need a version of Scala, I will give it an I button. Please have a look into it. Now let us start by importing the FindSpark package. Hope you know why we are importing FindSpark. Now let us import all the required packages for PySpark. Have to give from PySpark. I am importing the Spark context. Second comes streaming, PySpark.streaming, and I will import streaming context. Third one will be the Kafka, which will be available in spark.streaming.kafka, and I have to import the Kafka util. Now we are done with importing the package. Let us define our main __ name is equal to main. Let us initiate our Spark context. SC is equal to Spark context, and let me give an app name. Our app name will be Kafka Spark demo. Let us also define our SSC Spark streaming context, which will be streaming context, and inside bracket it will be same as the Scala. We will be giving a Spark context first, and then the parameter will be number of seconds. Here we are giving 60. Why we are giving 60 is in PySpark the connection between Kafka and the Spark will be a bit slow, so we will not be able to see the output in console if we give it in 2 or 3 seconds. So I'm making it as a 60 seconds, so we can view the output in console. So next we have defined a Spark context and Spark streaming context. Let us get the message from the producer. For that I'm giving message, and then we will get it from the Kafka util, and the function will be create direct stream. And the parameters to pass will be same as the Scala. The first one will be the streaming context, second one will be the topics, and here we have to pass it as a list, and our topic name is test. I am hard coding the topics directly, and the third parameter will be the Kafka params, and our Kafka params will be metadata dot broker dot list, and this will be our local host, and it will be a default port of 9092. So now we have given a message. we have to write a logic for calculating the word count. For that, let us start with words equal to message dot map, and let us give it as lambda function of x, and we have to take the element object 1, and dot we have to use flat map, again lambda x. Here we will use the split operation to split the words. So now we are done with the words. Let us calculate the words. For that, we have to have words dot map lambda function. We have to assign a number to each word, x comma 1, and finally it will be a reduce by key to find the count. In which we will have a two parameters, lambda a comma b, and here we have to give a plus b. So finally let us print the output. Here we have to use pprint to print the output. Our logic is ready. Now let us give start operation, start function, to start the Spark context, streaming context. And the second one will be await termination. By this way, we have completed the coding for the PySpark. Here you can observe, like we have only few lines of code, which is hardly 20 lines compared to the Scala, which is much easy. Now let us run this code. For running this code, I will open a terminal here itself. Here in Jupyter's lab, we have a command terminal, which I will click, and I will search for terminal. We need 4 terminals, one for our Zookeeper, second one is for our Kafka server, third one will be for console producer, and the fourth one will be for submitting our Spark job. Here in PySpark, if we need to run a Kafka integrated Spark job, then we will not be able to run it through the Spark shell. We have to give a package while submitting the command. I will show you the command. For submitting the Spark job, we have to accompany a package along with that. For doing that, we have to give a keyword -- package, and define the external package that we are going to incorporate with this. Here we are going to give a group ID as org.apache.spark, and the package name will be Spark Streaming Kafka. And the point to notice, here we are using the version 0.8.2, but whereas while using the Scala, we used 0.10. This is because 0.10 is not supported in PySpark. That's why we are using 0.8.2. And finally, we are giving the script name, Kafka Spark demo.py. So moving on, let us open 4 terminal. Terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3, and terminal 4. I had opened 4 terminals. Now in first terminal, let me start the Zookeeper server. The same command that we executed while we are setting the Kafka. If you have missed that video, I will give it an I button. Please have a look into it. So our Zookeeper server is running, and it is binded to the port 2181. Let me close this terminal. Even if I close this terminal, still the terminal will be active and it will be running. We can see the terminal active here. And in second terminal, let me start the Kafka server. Now our Kafka is also running. So let me close this terminal as well. We can have only 2 terminals, so it will be easy. In our third terminal, let us start our console producer. Here we are giving a broker list as localhost 9092, a default port, and the topic as test topic, one which we defined here, test topic. So let me run this. So here it is waiting for the input. Let us start the Spark command and let us give the input here. For that, let me navigate through document to the place where this Py script is available. Let me give ls and show you. Here you can find the Kafka Spark demo.py, which we are going to run now. And the command is spark submit -f package and the package name, and finally the Kafka Spark demo.py. So let me run this. So it got loaded. We can find like initially the packages that is being resolved and it is being added to the ivy settings.xml. Once this is done, our console is ready and it is waiting for the output. Now let us type something here. Let me do hi, hello, welcome to learn to Spark by Azhar. So I have given a command. Let us wait for the output here. I have given 60 seconds. So we have to wait for 60 seconds to display the output. So here we received the output. We can see like the count of the word and the number of words that is available has been displayed. So by this way we will be able to integrate Spark with PySpark with the Kafka. Hope you understood the concept. I will provide this PyScript in a Git repository and I will give a link in a description of this video. If you have any doubts, please go through it. Please try this on your own machine to understand this concept and let me know if you are facing any issues. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends if you really like my content. Give a thumbs up signal to this video. Thanks for watching.